I just got home and 10 minutes later the front lawn burst.
Your residence or?
Yeah, my residence.
Hasn't ever done this before?
Second, third time.
What's the same spot?
Yep. Yeah, 5 years ago. So, no. Just realized they had no water. Looked outside and saw the water going down the street.
Your place flooded at all?
No, it's high. It's not a problem.
You know, what first alerted you that there was a problem?
One of the neighbors was bashing on the door, and he said that the place was flooding, and I don't hear the rain, so I came out and found that it was about 2 feet deep downstairs.
What all was in the garage?
We just moved, so there's a lot of personal papers, photographs, all our photograph albums are in there, I believe, and just miscellaneous bits and pieces.